I love anything and everything that is made Desi style. So let me show you how to make the best pizza ever. I made it in the air fryer. You can make it in the oven. And look at the base. This is air fryer made. So it was properly cooked. You don't need to worry about the base being uncooked. So first make the dough. All the ingredients are listed on the screen and let it rise until it's doubled in size. Then for the filling, I made a meat sauce. So we are not making separate pizza sauce and separate fillings and everything. This is going to be the meat sauce that is going to go on the pizza. I have used chicken keema here or chicken mince. You can use red meat or you can use turkey if you want. Can of tomatoes makes the sauce really good. So you can use fresh tomatoes as well, but can of tomatoes makes a difference. I'm using the air fryer T31 by Prosonic. It is on sale today again for a very low price. So the link is in my profile. You can go and grab it. Then roll out the pizza. You should always start first with the cheese because that makes the pizza really bubbly and very gooey and delicious. And then put all the toppings on it. Red chili flakes is a must for my pizza because I love spicy food. You can totally skip it. Then I put the pizza in the baking tray that comes along with this air fryer, and look at the pizza how nicely it is cooking. And then it was ready, and we made like 4 or 5 pizzas. So go ahead and try it for yourself, and I hope you enjoy it.